Are you ready to embark on a journey into the world of Azure? Choosing Azure certification is a smart move in today's tech-driven landscape, with various levels of certifications to match your expertise. Azure offers a clear learning path to the success. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Azure's roadmap provides structured guidance to master the cloud platform, ensuring you're equipped with the skills and knowledge needed for a thriving career in the digital age. Discover the reasons to choose Azure certification, explore the different certification levels, and follow the learning path that aligns with your goals. So, first of all, let's understand why to choose Azure certification. Azure certification holds immense value in today's technology driven world. Here are some compelling reasons to consider Azure certification. First is enhanced career opportunities. Azure certification demonstrates your expertise in cloud computing and open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. Certified professionals are in high demand as organizations increasingly adopt Azure for their cloud infrastructure. Second is industry recognition. Azure certifications are globally recognized and endorsed by the industry. They validate your skills and knowledge, giving you a competitive edge in the job market. Third one is increased earning potential. So the certified Azure professionals earn on an average of 15% more than their non-certified counterparts. Azure certification showcases your proficiency and can lead to better job prospects and higher salaries. So, if you are interested in becoming an Azure certified professional, then consider Simplilearn's Azure Cloud Architect Masters program. Azure Cloud Architect Masters program will help you master the Azure infrastructure by understanding Azure Cloud Architect technology solutions, implement workloads and security in Azure, creating and deploying apps in Azure, and securing data in Azure. Now, who should take this program? Fresh graduates who are intent on taking the plunge into the job market. Secondly, professionals with less than 2 years of experience who are working in either technical or non-technical job roles and want to shift to the cloud. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now, get certified and get ahead. Alright. So the Microsoft Azure certifications are role-based and come under 4 levels. So now let's have a look at different levels of Azure certification. First is Fundamental certification. Azure Fundamentals certification is an entry-level certification designed for individuals new to Azure. It provides a foundational understanding of Azure services, cloud concepts, security, and compliance. This certification is ideal for beginners and non-technical professionals. The certification that comes under foundation level is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, Azure Data Fundamentals, Azure AI Fundamentals. So these three Microsoft certifications comes under fundamental certifications. Alright, now next is associate certifications. So associate level certifications are intended for the individuals with some experience in Azure. These certifications validate skills in specific Azure roles such as Azure Administrator, Azure Developer, and Azure AI Engineer. Associate level certifications demonstrate proficiency in implementing, managing, and securing Azure solutions. The certifications that comes under associate level certifications include Azure Administrator Associate, Azure Developer Associate, Azure Security Engineer Associate, Azure Data Engineer Associate, Azure Network Engineer Associate, etc. Other than these, there are some more certifications that comes under associate level certifications. Alright, now coming to the expert certification. Expert level certifications are designed for individuals that are experienced, who specialize in specific areas. These certifications include Azure Solutions Architect Expert, Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, and Azure Security Engineer Expert. Expert level certifications showcase advanced skills in designing, implementing, and managing Azure solutions at an expertise level. Now coming to the specialty certifications. So specialty certifications in Azure offer specialized expertise in areas such as SAP workloads and Azure IoT development. These certifications does not have any prerequisites, allowing professionals to directly pursue and showcase their skills in these specific domains. The certifications that comes under this category includes Windows Virtual Desktop Specialty, Azure for SAP Workload Specialty, IoT Developer Specialty. So these are the three specialty certifications. There are few more. that you can explore. Alright, now coming to the Azure certification learning path. To embark on a successful Azure certification journey, it is essential to follow a well-structured learning path. Microsoft Learn, a treasure trove of knowledge, provides comprehensive resources and modules to guide you through this exciting certification expedition. Here's a suggested learning path to help you navigate the Azure certification landscape. So first, start with Azure fundamentals. Lay a strong foundation by beginning your Azure certification journey with the Azure Fundamentals certification. This certification acts as a compass introducing you to the core concepts and services that Azure offers. It covers topics such as cloud computing models, Azure architecture, core Azure services, security, privacy, compliance, and trust. By obtaining this certification, you gain a solid understanding of Azure's fundamentals, setting the stage for further exploration. Second is choose a role-based certification. Based on your career goals and interest, select an associate level certification that aligns with your desired Azure role. This step is like choosing the perfect vessel to sail through the Azure seas. There are various role-based certifications available such as Azure Administrator Associate, Azure Developer Associate, and Azure AI Engineer Associate. Each certification focuses on specific skills and knowledge required for that role. By pursuing a role-based certifications, you dive deeper into the intricacies of Azure services and gain expertise in your chosen area. Third one is gain hands-on experience. Azure is not just a theory. It's a practical platform that demands hands-on experience. Microsoft Learn provides interactive labs and sandbox environments, akin to a training ground where you can gain practical experience with Azure services. This hands-on experience will be your compass guiding you through the intricacies of Azure's features and functionalities. By working on real-world scenarios and completing hands-on exercise, you develop the skills necessary to implement and manage Azure solutions effectively. Fourth one is explore advanced certifications. Once you have obtained an associate level certification, consider setting your sights on expert level certifications. These certifications showcase your ability to design and implement complex Azure solutions, like conquering uncharted territories. Advanced certifications include Azure Solutions Architect Expert, Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, and Azure Security Engineer Associate Expert. These certifications require a deeper understanding of Azure services, architecture, and best practices. By pursuing advanced certification, you demonstrate your expertise in navigating the most challenging Azure landscapes and becoming a trusted Azure professional. So this was about the learning path to become a Azure certified professional. Through this video session, you have gained valuable insights and skills for success in Azure cloud world. Keep exploring Azure's vast capabilities and watch your career soar. Stay curious and continue your journey towards becoming an Azure expert. Alright, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.